Class 4 English. Chapter name Alice in Wonderland. Children, in this video we will do all the exercises of this chapter, and here are the contents. Number 1, new words and meaning. First of all, we will see the new words came in this chapter and their meaning. After that, we will do the question answer. Then select the correct option, an exercise given in the chapter in this book. Next one is finding the one word for the sentence from story. Write opposites and synonyms of given word and make sentences with them. And the last exercise is rearrange the sentences in correct order. Let's begin with the new words. First word is scamper. S-C-A-M-P-E-R. Scamper. Meaning of this word is to move in a hurry. Remember the line, Alice saw a rabbit scamper by? He was actually running in a hurry. Second word is hurried. H-U-R-R-I-E-D. Hurried. And the meaning of this word is done, something done in a hurry. Third one is disappeared. D-I-S-A-P-P-E-A-R-E-D. And the meaning of this word is to vanish or to become impossible to see. When something just gets out of sight, when something gets out of sight suddenly or it vanishes, it is called disappeared. Next word is whiskers. W-H-I-S-K-E-R-S. Meaning of this word is long hairs that grow near the mouth of any animal. Children, you have seen the dogs, the cats, especially cats. You can see long hairs near her mouth very clearly. Those long hairs near the mouth of any animal is called as whiskers. You can see these whiskers very clearly in a cat or in a mouse. Okay. Next one is popped. P-O-P-P-E-D. Popped. And the meaning of this word is to come or go somewhere very quickly or suddenly. When something comes to your sight suddenly and it just vanishes. When something comes to your sight suddenly at once, it is called as popped. Remember we say while working on a computer, a dialog box comes and we say it just popped up. Remember? That appears out of nowhere, but it comes to our sight. That suddenly coming to our sight is known as popped. Now we will do the question and answers. The first question is, while listening to the story, what did Alice see? Answer. Alice saw a strange white rabbit running hurriedly. When Alice was lying under a tree listening to the story that her sister was reading, what did she saw suddenly? She saw a white rabbit running hurriedly. The next question is, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? The rabbit Alice saw had pink eyes, was wearing a blue coat, and could talk like humans. Remember, this white rabbit was very different. It was strange. And why was it strange? Because it had pink eyes. It was wearing a blue coat, and not only that, it was only talking like humans. So these were the different things about this white rabbit. Where did the rabbit go? The rabbit went down a rabbit hole. How did Alice reach Wonderland? Alice was following that white rabbit, right? So how did she reach there? Alice reached the Wonderland by following the white rabbit. What strange things did Alice see? Alice saw a lovely garden with beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. What were the strange things that she saw there? She saw a very lovely garden filled with a lots of beds of bright flowers, and not only that, there were cool fountains also. So the answer is Alice saw a lovely garden with beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Next question is, describe in your own words. Uh, uh, Word is here written twice. You will only write it once. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Answer is, the garden that Alice saw was the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. It had beds of beautiful flowers and cool fountains. You can write this answer as it is, or if you want to write this answer in your own language or in your own words, you are most welcome. You can try, and I'm sure you will write it the best way. All the best. Let's come to the next question. This question is, take the correct answer. The white rabbit had white eyes, big eyes, or pink eyes? It had pink eyes, so this answer is the correct one. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice, White the rabbit, children. Alice. Who fell down and down and down? Alice, Mouse, the rabbit. So the answer is the rabbit. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? Who said this? Remember, it was the rabbit. So the answer is rabbit. The garden Alice saw was big, small, or lovely. So the answer is lovely. Find one word from the story that means to walk fast. Children, here in this exercise, you have to write one word that must be from the story we have read. There are a few words written to us. You can say that you have to write a synonym for each word or each sentence. Okay. Let's see what are these words or sentences. To walk fast. So we can write it as hurriedly. Happy. Remember the word to her delight? The key fitted? Right. Yes, that is the word delight. Happy, delighted. At once. The word starts with Q. Here I forgot to tell you that the first alphabet of each word is given here for us as a hint. So to walk fast, the word starts with H, that is hurriedly. Happy, the word starts with D, that is delighted. At once, the word starts with Q, that is quickly, and move fast, the word starts with S, that is scamper. Same way to think. And a word for this from the chapter is wander. To be seen nowhere. To be seen nowhere, that means something that cannot be seen anywhere. The word for this is disappeared, and it is also starting with alphabet D. To be inquisitive, the word starts with C and it is curious. Give another word for ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Now, write the opposite of these describing words and make sentences with them. Okay. Here, the word is lovely, and we have to write the opposite of this word. What will be the opposite of lovely? It is ugly. And I have made a sentence here for you. You can also make your own sentences. This is just, you can say it's just an example. You can try out with your own sentences also. I have made the sentence as, he made an ugly remark. Talking, and opposite, quiet. And the sentence is, I love talking to my friends. All of you, I know, we all love talking to our friends. Listening, and the opposite of this word will be speaking. She was speaking English fluently. See, the opposite is ignore. We should not ignore our elders' advice. Next word is center, and the opposite for this word is side. And sentence is, we should walk on the side of the road. We should never walk on the center. We should always walk on side of the road. Children, we didn't have write the opposite of the given words only, but also the synonyms or similar or words with similar meanings, and make sentence with those meanings also. So here are the answers. Lovely, word with similar meaning is beautiful. What will be the word that means the similar as lovely? It is beautiful. And sentence is, I have a beautiful puppet. Talking. The word with similar meaning is chatting. Remember this word chatting? That means talking informally. Remember, we have already done this. My brother was chatting with his friends. Next word is listening, and similar word with similar meaning is hearing. I can hear you very well. See, the word is look, and sentence is, the teacher said to the students to look at the blackboard. Center, and the word with similar meaning is score, and the sentence is, we should be serious to our core problems. And now, last but not the least, here is the last exercise of this chapter, that is, Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice had in her mind and put a question mark. Here we are given with a sentence, a complete sentence, but in jumbled manner. The sentence is jumbled. The sentence is not position. The words in the sentence are not positions. The words in this sentence are not positioned correctly. What we have to do, we have to position each word correctly and to make it a meaningful question that Alice had in her mind about that white rabbit, that strange rabbit, and at the end we have to put a question mark. Let's see the first one. A. Talk rabbit how can. What question can we make with this? How can a rabbit talk? This was the question that came to Alice's mind, right? How can a rabbit talk? And whenever we write a question, we just put a question mark at the end of this. Okay. I have mistakenly write all the first letter of each sentence in small letter, but you will keep this in mind that you have to write first letter of a sentence in capital letters. Okay. Second is going. He is where? Where is he going? Read he can time the. Can he read the time? Hurry is in why he. Why is he in hurry? Why is he in a hurry? So, children, these are the questions that came to her mind. Her who? Alice. These are the questions that came to Alice's mind after she saw the white rabbit, the strange rabbit, and the strangeness of that rabbit was the only reason why these questions rose to her mind. Okay. So children, these were the questions, these were the exercises we have solved today, and some practice questions also I will provide you after a while. Thank you so much.